Welcome to Activity 12 A Little Easier. In this activity, we'll be using part, whole to write addition and related subtraction equations. First, I'm going to use my bond blocks to fill in my part, whole diagram. The diagram is a little bit more difficult than the bond blocks, because the length of the blocks are related. The 3 block is longer than the 2 block, whereas in the diagram, the bars that represent the parts are the same size. The number we write in tells us the size of the parts. I then write my whole in the top bar for the whole. Addition is part add part equals whole. I place my blocks that are the parts in the part position and the whole in the whole position. Part add part equals whole. 3 add 2 equals 5. When I come to my next addition, I can swap the position of the parts with each other, but I need to keep the whole in the same position. So I still have part add part equals whole. 2 add 3 equals 5. When I move to subtraction, I need to remember the whole is in a different position. For subtraction, the whole is in this position, and then we have the parts. So it's whole subtract part equals part. 5 subtract 2 equals 3. Because this is subtraction, I need to remember my whole stays in this position, but my parts can swap positions with each other. So I still have whole subtract part equals part. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. And they are my part whole addition and subtraction equations for the bond of 3 and 2 is 5.